is not given, it is earned. So ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the team of Nari Shakti to present a powerful performance. Please give them a big round of applause.
मैंने महाभारत करवा दिया। मैं सीता नहीं जो चुपचाप अपनी परीक्षा दी। मैं द्रौपदी जिसने पूरी दुनिया को अपनी परीक्षा दी। याद रखो, जब भी कोई औरत अपमान सहकर चुप नहीं रहेगी, जब भी कोई औरत अपने बाल खोलकर चीखेगी, मेरा बदला मैं खुद, उसकी आवाज में मेरी आत्मा बोलेगी। मैं मर गई थी, लेकिन मेरी आग आज भी जल रही है। हर उस औरत के सीने में जो कहती है, मुझे छूने से पहले सोच लो, मैं द्रौपदी हूँ।
I'm Rani Padmini. I'm Rani Nagmati. We are the queens from the Rajput era, a time of battles, bravery and sacrifice. Our enemies were at our gates and our kingdom was in danger. In those times when defeat seemed certain, the queens and women chose struggle, not out of fear but to protect our honor from enemy iron. We Rajput women were known for our strength, dignity and unbroken spirit. It was a very painful and tragic choice, a reminder of how difficult life for a woman in that era. But today we stand here not to celebrate the fire, but to celebrate the courage, the unity and the unshakable will of our women.
मैं रबिया सुल्तान हूँ, न बेटी न बीवी न गुलाम, मैं दिल्ली की सुल्तान हूँ। तुमने कहा था कि औरत तख्त पर नहीं बैठ सकती, मैंने तख्त पर बैठकर साबित कर दिया, औरत तख्त नहीं तख्त को चलाती है। मैं मर भी गई तो भी जीत गई, क्योंकि आज हर बेटी जो आगे बढ़ती है उसके कदमों में आवाम पूछती है, डर मत, उठ, लड़ और जीत।
मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। जब तक मेरे शरीर में प्राण है और मेरी तलवार में धार है, तब तक मैं अपनी झांसियों किसी की कीमत में इन फिरंगियों के हाथ नहीं पड़ने दूंगी। या तो मैं विजय होंगी या मैं वीर गति प्राप्त करूंगी। मुझे दिखाना होगा कि एक औरत अपने देश के लिए जान दे सकती है। नमः पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव।
मैं प्रीतिलता वडेदार हूँ। 1932 में चिटगांव शास्त्रगार हमले का नेतृत्व कर शहादत पाने वाली पहली महिला बनी।
मैं कनकलता बरुआ हूँ। 1942 में भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन में तिरंगा लिए शहीद होकर इतिहास में अमर हुई।
मैं रंगा सफेद, आजादी कोई उपहार नहीं है, बल्कि हर बलिदान से कमाया गया एक अधिकार है। मैं यहाँ इसे मांगने नहीं आई, मैं यहाँ अपने देश का दावा करने आई। उठने का, विरोध करने का और यह कहने का समय आ गया है, हम सबक गुलाम नहीं है। हमारी आवाजें अत्याचारियों को हिला देंगी और हमारे हृदय हमें जीत की ओर मार्गदर्शन करेंगे। जय हिंद।
Namaste. I am Savitribai Phule, stand before you not just as a woman but as a beacon of change. A woman who dared to challenge the deep-rooted caste system and the barriers imposed on women. When the world told us women were meant to stay in the shadows, I said no. I stepped out and fought for the right to education, for the right to be seen and heard. Today, I am proud to say that my dream lives on in every school, in every woman who dares to dream, in every child who holds a book in their hand. We must continue this fight for the right to education is the right to equality and the right to a better tomorrow. I urge you all to remember, educate a girl and change the world. India, I stand here to tell every girl, do not limit yourself. Your dreams matters, your voice matters, and your courage can open doors for many more.
Namaste. I am Sarojini Naidu, lovingly called the Nightingale of India. I am a poet, a freedom fighter, and the first woman governor of an Indian state. Through my poems, I celebrated India, its people, its spirit, and its nature. Through my actions, I fought for equality, women's rights, and for nation's freedom. I believe every child should dream freely, speak bravely, and work for the country with love. Jai Hind.
ନମସ୍କାର ମୁଁ ନନ୍ଦିନୀ ଶତପଥୀ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ପ୍ରଥମ ମହିଳା ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନୁହେଁ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ପ୍ରଥମ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଯିଏ ମହିଳା ମୋତେ କୁହାଗଲା ଝିଅମାନେ ରାଜନୀତି କରିପାରିବେନି ମୁଁ ହସିଲି ମୋତେ ବିଜୁ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଡରିବା ଶିଖେଇ ନାହାନ୍ତି ଲଢ଼ିବା ଶିଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୋ ନରମତା ମୋ ଶାଢ଼ୀରେ ଅଛି ମୋ ଲଢ଼େଇ ମୋ ରକ୍ତରେ ଅଛି ଆଜି ଯେତେବେଳେ କୌଣସି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଝିଅ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ଉତ୍ତୀର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରେ ଚାକିରି ପାଇଁ ଲଢ଼େ ନିଜ ପାଦରେ ଠିଆ ହୁଏ ମୋ ଆତ୍ମା ହସେ ଆଉ କହେ ଦେଖ ନନ୍ଦିନୀ ତୁ 80 ଲକ୍ଷ ଓଡ଼ିଆଙ୍କ ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନୁହେଁ ତୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଝିଅର ସ୍ୱପ୍ନର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ହେଇଗଲୁ ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଜୟ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଜୟ ନାରୀ ଶକ୍ତି
I am Mother Teresa. I stand before you not as a saint, but as a humble servant of God. And I believe that every act of love, no matter how small, can bring a little more light into this world. People know me for my work with the poor, but I want you to know something more. I was an ordinary woman who believed in doing some extraordinary things with love. Blessings to you all.
Namaste, I am Shakuntala Devi, known as the human computer of India. I can solve complex mathematical problems in seconds, faster than any computer. Mathematics is not just numbers, it's fun, logic, and creativity. I want to inspire every child to love learning and never fear challenges. Remember, no dream is too big if you have passion and determination. Keep calculating, keep learning, and keep shining. Jai Hind.
Namaste. I, Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India. I work for the progress of our nation, focusing on education, self-reliance, and unity. My message to all young boys and girls is, dream big, work hard, and never be afraid to lead. Women can achieve anything and contribute greatly to the nation. Jai Hind.
Namaste, I am Barshindri Pal, the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest. On May 23rd, 1984, I stood at the top of the world with the Indian flag waving proudly. It was not just one victory, but victory for every woman, every Indian, and for every person who dares to dream beyond the boundaries.
गाना पड़ेगा।
ईमानदारी के साथ करें, वही सच्चा मार्ग है। गाते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। जय हिंद।
Namaste. I'm Arundhati Roy, a writer, a thinker, and a woman who believes that words can change the world. My book, The God of Small Things, won the Booker Prize. But what truly matters to me is using my voice for the people who are unheard. Many said, why speak about difficult issues? Why raise questions? And I replied, because silence is also a choice, and I choose not to be silent. ମୁଁ ସଂଯୁକ୍ତ ପ୍ରାଣୀରେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ମା ମୋତେ କୁହାଗଲା ଝିଅମାନେ ନାଚି ପାରିବେନି। ମୁଁ ଆସି କହିଲି ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ନାଚ, ଆଉ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମୋ ସହିତ ନାଚୁଛନ୍ତି। ଓଡ଼ିଶୀକୁ ପ୍ୟାରିସ, ଲଣ୍ଡନ, ଆମେରିକାରେ ନାଚି କହିଲି ଏହା ହେଉଛି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଗର୍ବ। ଆଜି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଝିଅର ପାଦରେ ମୋ ଘୁମୁର ବାଜୁଛି। ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ, ଜୟ ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ, ଜୟ ନାରୀ ଶକ୍ତି। Namaste. I, Kiran Bedi, India's first woman IPS officer. Yes, the first. A woman in a uniform in a world dominated by men. But for me, this was not about breaking a barrier for the sake of it. It was about proving that dedication and hard work have no gender. To all children I say, be brave, be honest, and never be afraid to do the right thing. The right time to act is always now. Jai Hind. नमस्ते, मैं हूँ इंदिरा नूई, पेप्सिको की फॉर्मर सीईओ और दुनिया की सबसे प्रभावशाली बिजनेस लीडर्स में से एक। लोग कहते थे बिजनेस तो सिर्फ मर्दों का खेल है, पर मैंने साबित किया कि सपने लड़कियों के भी उड़ान भर सकते हैं। सीईओ बनकर मैंने सिर्फ कंपनी नहीं बदली, बल्कि दुनिया को दिखाया कि लीडरशिप का मतलब होता है दिल, ईमानदारी और हिम्मत। आज मैं हर बच्चे से सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ, अपने सपनों का पीछा करो। अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो तुम भी कर सकते हो। शिक्षा, कड़ी मेहनत और अनुशासन किसी भी व्यक्ति को सफल बना सकती है। जय हिंद। Namaste. I am Anuradha DK, a space scientist from ISRO. I have worked on many satellite missions for India and helped our country reach new heights in space technology. I want to tell every girl and boy, dream big. Science is fun, exciting, and full of discoveries. Let us make India shine in space and science. Jai Hind.
Namaste, I am Sudha Murthy. When I was young, I loved reading books and learning new things. People often told me that some dreams were only for boys. But I said, why not for girls too? I became an engineer, a teacher, and later a writer because I never stopped trying. I believe that if you have courage and compassion, you can change the world. Thank you.
ମୁଁ ଦ୍ରୌପଦୀ ମୁର୍ମୁ, ଓଡ଼ିଶା ମୟୂରଭଞ୍ଜର ସାନ୍ତାଳୀ ଝିଅ ଆଉ ଭାରତର ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି। ମୋତେ କୁହାଗଲା ଆଦିବାସୀ ଝିଅ ଏତେ ଉପରକୁ ଯାଇପାରିବନି। ମୁଁ ହସିଲି। ମୋ ପାଦ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ମାଟିରେ ଠିଆ ହୋଇଛି ଆଉ ମୋ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରପତି ଭବନକୁ ଛୁଇଁଛି। ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଆଦିବାସୀ ଝିଅ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହେ ମୁଁ ବି ଦ୍ରୌପଦୀ ହେବି, ମୁଁ ଗର୍ବରେ ଫୁଲି ଉଠେ। ଝିଅ ହେଲେ କି ଆଦିବାସୀ ହେଲେ ବି ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଖିବାର ସବୁବେଳେ ଅଛି। ଜୟ ହିନ୍ଦ, ଜୟ ଭାରତ, ଜୟ ନାରୀ ଶକ୍ତି।
Namaste, I am Lieutenant Corporal Sophia Qureshi of Indian Army. In 2016, I became the first Indian woman army officer to lead all-men army contingent in United Nations peacekeeping mission. To every young girl and boy, I say, be strong, be confident, and believe in your abilities. There is nothing you cannot achieve with hard work and dedication. Jai Hind.
I, Harmanpreet Kaur, captain of Indian women cricket team. People once said cricket is the men's game, but I prove a girl with passion can hit the ball out of the stadium. Hard work, discipline, and confidence made me who I am today. To ever dare on your dream, big play, and never be scared of challenges. Jai Hind.
अपने सपने तुम स्वयं चुनो और बुन लो विश्वास की डोरी से। अपने सपने तुम स्वयं चुनो और बुन लो विश्वास की डोरी से। तुम विजय का चुना के लायक, तुमको क्या करना लोरी से? तुम विजय का चुना के लायक, तुमको क्या करना लोरी से? तुम स्वयं सिद्ध इस जीवन में, प्रमुख गगन में उड़े चलो। तुम स्वयं सिद्ध इस जीवन में, प्रमुख गगन में उड़े चलो। आरंभ आज से नवयुग का, विश्वास पे अपने